Tired of your Aimlab feeling totally off? I'm gonna show you how to perfectly transfer your Valorant sensitivity to Aimlab in under 2 minutes. First, launch Valorant and head into your settings. Click on the Controls tab at the top, then select Controls again in the drop-down. Scroll down until you see the Sensitivity, Aim option. Take note of this number. This is your in-game sensitivity. Next, open up a calculator on your computer or phone. We need to convert your Valorant sensitivity to Aimlab system. The formula is simple. Multiply your Valorant sensitivity by 1.067. This number converts Valorant's sensitivity scale to Aimlab's. Now, launch Aimlab. Click on the settings icon, then go to Controls. Find the sensitivity field. Here's where you'll enter the number you just calculated. Once you've entered the sensitivity, hop into a practice range or training scenario to test it out. Make small adjustments as needed until it feels comfortable. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Valorant sensitivity to Aimlab. Now you can train your aim with a consistent feel and dominate in your matches. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Aimlab tips and tricks.